Hey guys, today we're talking about clean floors, which brings us to cool tech in the form of the Dyson V7 Fluffy. It's a cord-free stick vacuum, but before we take a look at the vacuum, if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you like the content I'm putting out there, be sure to subscribe. Today we're looking at the Dyson V7 Fluffy head. It's called that because the roller is a soft foam in order to thoroughly clean your hardwood floors without damaging them. It's a vacuum stick with powerful suction for quick jobs and extreme portability. It weighs a little over 5 pounds and it has a 0.2 gallon dustbin, which isn't too big, but it's meant for small jobs, and it has a washable HEPA filter, and it's very portable. It also comes with multiple attachments for different jobs. The vacuum stick also converts to a handheld model for easier use for different situations. Converting it to the handheld model is pretty simple. It's just a click of a button and you basically attach tools to the actual handheld base. Once it's in the hand vac form, it has a very ergonomic and comfortable grip no matter which way you hold it. It does, like all Dyson products, have a quality and sturdy feel to it. It does have removable and washable filters, which is pretty nice. It also has the option to choose your suction power, but that greatly reduces the battery life of the vacuum for anywhere from between 6 minutes to about 30 minutes depending on the power level you choose. It does take about 3 hours to charge for up to 30 minutes of use depending on the suction power you choose. The actual storage design of the vacuum stick has a workaround for that limited 30 minutes of use battery life you have. The charger is integrated into the storage cradle, so it's always charged when you reach for it. Now, the one thing I did want to do in this video is give you a quick demonstration of the vacuum and actually show you the performance, and let's see how much dirt it actually picks up. The floor, as you can see in the video, is not overly dirty, so I did a quick vacuum job just so I can take a look at the dustbin and see how much dirt it actually picked up. Now, it actually picked up a lot more dirt than I thought. In order to empty the dustbin, you do have to remove the HEPA filter from the top, and the canister at the bottom just pops right open. So be aware of that when you do clean it out, because you can make a mess. Now, I was surprised at the amount of dirt that it picked up, because I'm telling you, as you can see from the video, the floor did not look that dirty, but the suction power is so powerful that it did pick up a lot of fine dirt, a lot of dust, and as you can see in the video, it's that very fine powdery dust that's tough to pick up unless you're using a Swiffer. The floor looked much cleaner, and I also ran a Swiffer afterwards just to give you an idea of how clean the Dyson left the floor. It didn't pick up anything but a few specks. Overall, it is an amazing vacuum stick, very versatile and very powerful. I do wish it had a larger battery capacity and runtime, but on a plus side, you don't lose suction as the battery dies out. The unit basically just shuts off. It is an expensive vacuum stick at $2.99, but after looking at the Swiffer, you can't argue with the results. I hope you liked the video. Leave your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.